VideoSumo is designed to be both easy to use and to get you results fast. You could use it for launch jacking. You can see there's my video there on page 1. There's another there. And of course you can check these for yourself. So number 4 on page 1 for that phrase. And I can do this because it's very, very easy, very, very quick. And I'll show you some more results at the end of this video. So in this video, I'm going to take you through the basic process of finding keywords that you can rank for. So I'll show you how to find the keywords, how to extract the data, and I'll explain why that will help you rank almost instantly. So the first step is to log in. So I'll click there. The next step is to create a campaign. So you can name it whatever you like and then click create campaign. So you can see that we have 2 modules here. The first one is research. So this is the module that I'm going to cover in this video, and the second one is about creating your videos. Now you can use these as standalone modules. So if you have, say, a bunch of videos on YouTube, for example, that you made for different products, evergreen products, niche products, whatever, and they didn't rank and you didn't get the results you were expecting, then you can re-upload those videos with the correct data using the research module. But if you'd like to make videos as well, then you can do that with this module here, which I'll cover in an additional video. I'm going to call this one test 4, and then we click there. Now the next step is to add in the seed keyword. Now this can be anything at all, so you can target absolutely any niche. It makes no difference whatsoever. So you drop in the seed keyword here, and you choose the location here. Now I would suggest that you leave this as the United States, but if you are looking to rank local videos, say for local businesses, for example, then if you click the little arrow there, you can choose different areas. We'll leave that as the United States for now, and then we'll put in a seed keyword here. So I've put numerology report in there, and then I just click search. Now you can see that the software starts to load and starts to extract the data. Now you can see that it's color coded. So we use a traffic light system to make it really, really easy for you to determine which keywords that you can target and which keywords you're going to be able to rank for. So you can see that red is going to be difficult, amber is somewhere in between, and green is going to be easy. Now we suggest that you target a green phrase. So numerology report number 2, for example, or here's a great one here, numerology report, June 2018. Now again, just like any other keyword tool, you can keep playing about with this feature here. You can keep adding different phrases. So for example, if you found something down here that looked interesting, you could take that one, for example, and then you could paste that in there and do another search. But I'm sure you get the idea. So you can see which keywords you're going to be able to rank for. Then all you need to do is click view data. So on this page, you can see the top ranked videos for that particular phrase. And what you can do is you can extract the data. So you can use this data on your own videos. So for example, this one is ranked in YouTube, number 2 on YouTube, and number 9 on Google. So what I could do is I could click there, and then I could export all of the data. So all I need to do here is export. So this allows me to export all of the data I need in order to rank my videos for that particular phrase, essentially the ranking factors for that keyword. Now you can do this in any niche whatsoever. So this is perfect for using with your own videos. Again, you can use this in any niche. You can use this with existing videos. You can re-upload those videos with the correct ranking data. But if you don't have any videos, the next step is to add this data like so, and then create a video. Again, I'll explain that in the next video. Now, just before I finish this video, let me give you a little more inspiration. You can see that this is my blog here, and this post is here to promote a product. Okay, so the post is here, and I wanted to drive additional traffic to this post. And so I made a video, which basically just has me narrating this post, just parts of it. And you can see here that I'm on page 1, 125 million, 1, 2, 3, 4, number 4 on page 1 for that phrase. Now, the way I did this was to use VideoSumo to swipe the details from this video here and use those ranking factors to rank my video and drive traffic to this post. The same with this post here. I did pretty much the same thing and ranked a video 421,000 results on page 1 at position number 4. You can see that that's page 1. Now, I am using Google UK here, so it may be slightly different wherever you are, but you can see just how easy this is. Now, I've been able to do that just by using the software, finding the right keywords and extracting the right ranking data in order for me to rank for those phrases. So go ahead, watch the next video and I'll explain how you can turn any website into a video. So following on from demo 1, I want to show you how you can use VideoSumo to create your own videos. Now again, if I take you through the process, you may remember if you watched demo 1 that we have 2 modules. In demo 1 I explained the research module, and in this video I'm going to talk about the video creation module. Now again, I will reiterate that you can use both of these as standalone modules. So you can use the research module on its own. So if you had a bunch of videos that you'd used in the past that didn't rank for whatever reason and you wanted to re-upload them with the correct data, then you could use the research module on its own, and the same with creating videos. Now you can use them both together. So if you extracted all of the data as I showed you in demo 1, you could add it and then create a video all within the same application. But just to keep things simple, I'm just going to demonstrate how to use the video creation module. Now there are actually 3 ways in which you can produce videos. You can produce them from images, so you would put a keyword up here and relevant images would show up here. Okay, video results, the same kind of thing, so you would put the keyword there and then you could add different clips that relate to that keyword. Okay, so you could say add that item there and then add that one, and you see it just builds the slides there out of the videos or images, whichever method you're using. You'll also see up here that you can add your own images. So these are images that you may have on your device. Just by clicking there you can add those images and then you can use those within your video. But something that I want to show you, and something that I think is pretty cool, especially if you're into launch jacking or something like that, is the build a video from a URL. And this is very, very easy to do. So what I'm going to do here is just going to paste in the URL of a website. See, this is VideoSumo, and I'm going to define the height as 3000. You can extend this or decrease it. It's entirely up to you. And then if I click there, just wait for it to load, you can see that it loads up the site inside of the application. Now what I can do is I can use any aspect of this site and I can crop it into a slide. And let me show you how this works. So in order to crop slides, we have this little frame here. So all you do is drag that around, reposition it to whatever you want to use and resize it. So you can see it's all very, very easy to do. So if I wanted to use that section there, I would just put the frame around the area that I want to use, and then up here I just click crop. And you can see that it's added there as a slide. Now I can do this with as many areas of the website as I like. So I could use this area here, for example. Just drag that one over a little bit, like so. And you can see it's all added there. So again, this allows you to turn pretty much any website, any web page into a video. It will take you a few minutes to grab all of the slides, and then once you've done that, and once you're happy with the amount of slides you've got, just click proceed to create the video, and you can see those slides are added there. Now what you will notice is, just for this example, I just threw in a couple of video clips that were available free from video results. Now obviously I didn't actually put in a keyword, but if I had, I could have used these within this video. So I can use the slides, I can use video, I can use images, I can take slides from different websites, anything that you add is kind of added over here in the slide area. So all of this is added to your video, and obviously you can edit them, you can delete them if you want to, you can move them around. Like I say, I'm just going to keep this really simple now and just go through the process. So just to reiterate, you can use images, you can use video results, you can extract from a page. I've just shown you that. So you can take slides from a page just by cropping, and you can combine that with multiple sites, so it doesn't have to just be this site here. For example, I can add another 2 or 3 different sites and crop areas of those sites as well to use in my video. And then if I click there, I'm taken to the next area where I can add additional elements. Now we can add overlay text, we can add or change background colors, font colors, we can add intros, we can add outros, and then if I click continue and preview, the audio option screen opens. Now here I can add my own narration. So let's say, for example, I cropped a number of slides from a website and I wanted to narrate those slides and make a launch jacking video, for example. What I can do here is I can narrate the whole thing. So as the video plays, I can narrate over the top of it and it will record. I can also add background music. So we have a number built in. So you can see that there are 10 audio files built in that you can add to your video. So you see here I can preview the video. So if I just want to click there, you can see the video clip that I added to begin with, and then there's a secondary clip, and then we'll see a couple of the slides that I cropped from the website. So once I'm happy with that video, all I need to do here is save and share the video. So I can upload directly to YouTube and I can upload directly to Vimeo. And it really is as simple as that. You can combine images, videos, you can crop from websites. So essentially you can turn any website into a bunch of slides which you can turn into a video, and you can do that in literally minutes.